Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to HeartTalks, your go-to channel for relationship advice. Today, we're going to tackle a topic that can sometimes wreak havoc in relationships: jealousy. Don't worry, we're here to help you navigate through it. So, let's dive right in and discover how to deal with jealousy in a relationship. Before we delve into the strategies, let's take a moment to acknowledge that dealing with jealousy can be tough. It's normal to feel a bit uneasy or insecure at times, but remember, you're not alone. We're in this together, and I'm here to provide guidance and support. Understanding the nature of jealousy. To effectively deal with jealousy, it's crucial to understand its nature. Jealousy often stems from fear, insecurities, or past experiences. By recognizing the underlying causes, we can address them head-on. So, let's take a closer look at why jealousy arises and how it affects our relationships. Communication and trust. Communication is the foundation of any healthy relationship, and it's especially vital when dealing with jealousy. In this scene, we see a couple having an open and honest conversation about their feelings of jealousy. They share their concerns, listen attentively, and work together to find solutions that foster trust and understanding. Nurturing self-confidence. Jealousy often stems from insecurities within ourselves. That's why it's essential to nurture our self-confidence. In this scene, we see someone engaging in self-care activities, such as yoga or meditation, to cultivate inner peace and self-assurance. Remember, loving yourself and building a strong sense of self-worth can greatly reduce feelings of jealousy. Establishing boundaries. Setting boundaries is crucial when addressing jealousy in a relationship. This scene depicts a couple sitting in a peaceful park, having a loving and open conversation about their boundaries. They express their needs, concerns, and expectations, ensuring that both partners feel safe and secure. Healthy boundaries provide a framework for trust and respect. Seeking professional support. Sometimes, dealing with jealousy requires professional guidance. Seeking support from a trained therapist or counselor can be immensely helpful. In this scene, we see an individual having a compassionate conversation with a therapist. Remember, there's no shame in seeking professional help. It's a sign of strength and a commitment to your relationship's well-being. Conclusion and encouragement. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our discussion on how to deal with jealousy in a relationship. I hope these strategies have provided you with valuable insights and tools to navigate this complex emotion. Remember, it's normal to feel jealous from time to time, but it's how we handle those feelings that truly matters. I encourage you to implement these strategies in your own relationship. Remember to communicate openly and honestly, nurture your self-confidence, establish healthy boundaries, and seek professional support if needed. Together, we can overcome jealousy and create a stronger, more trusting bond with our partners. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. And please, share your own experiences and insights in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining me today on HeartTalks. Remember, love is a journey, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Until next time, take care and keep nurturing your relationships.